njengoba manje endaweni yasePhumla Mkhashi Deep South eLenasia South sithole ukuthi kunedepo ekhona la kunamabhasi aqhamuka from KZN eThekwini alayisha abantu bangaphandle awu-17. They are here, we don't know ukuthi bazocampa noma bazokwenzani. Already labantu sebegcwele indawo sebengene ko-Shoprite nani and what is painful ukuthi our area is a squatter camp. We are not even sure ukuthi laba bantu njengoba begcwele la sebengenile yini la ngaphakathi. So sila as a community to say ukuthi lamabhasi awaphume ahambe aphele la kule depot because of asazi ukuthi bazoyenzani. Now amabhasi all you are saying ukuthi nje sicela lento la ngaphakathi kule depot la ayiphele with immediate effects. Siyacela ukuthi ayiphele because sipromisa nanokuthi bangasichitha nasidispatch within a minute. So asifuni into eyenzeka la because asazi ukuthi la ngaphakathi umonakalo sowenzakalile ngabantu abaqhamuke wherever labaqhamuka khona sebengenile yini la ngaphakathi. Siyacela sicela ukuthi nje labantu abahambe